Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorial. In today's video, let's teach you how to download Rednote video. So over here, as you can see on our Rednote, simply select the video that you want to download. So for example, we have this motorcycle over here. To be able to download this, you're simply going to click on share over here on the bottom right. After that, simply scroll to the right and look for the option copy link. Click on copy link. Now, go to a website called TikTok Douyin Download over here, or if you search in your Google Rednote video downloader, you are able to see this page over here or this website where you're simply going to paste the URL link that you have found and click on parse, and then you can simply click on download the video or download the image. So for example, download the video over here. As you can see, we will then be able to long press it, click on download, and as you can see, we will then be able to download our video from Rednote. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.